In this video, we are going to discuss some problem. So the first problem is find the amplitude, phase, period, and frequency of the sinusoid which is given. V of t is equal to 12 cos 50t plus 10 degree. Okay. So here the amplitude is so what is amplitude? Amplitude is 12. Okay, this is your amplitude, and so here this 50 represent omega. Okay, so the omega is 50. So what is omega? Omega is 2 pi f. Okay, so 2 pi f that is equal to 50. So what is f? F is equal to 50 divided by 2 pi. Okay, so the answer is 7.958. So this is your f. F stands for frequency. Okay, so it is usually measured in terms of hertz. Okay, amplitude is measured in terms of voltage. Okay, volt. So what is t? That is period. Okay, period is equal to 1 divided by f. So 1 divided by 7.958. So 1 divided by 7.958 is 0.1257. Okay, so it is measured in terms of seconds. Okay, so next phase, right? So phase phase is usually it is represented as 5. That is nothing but here it is plus 10. Okay, 10 degree. Okay, so next I will give you another problem. You find it out. Okay, so they given V of t is equal to 30 psi 4 pi t minus 75 degree. So find the voltage. Sorry, find the amplitude. Then phase. Okay, then frequency, then time period. Okay, so you comment below the solution. Okay, so next let's go for another problem. So calculate phase angle between V1. V1 is equal to minus 10 cos omega t plus 50 degree, and V2 that is equal to 12 sin omega t minus 10. Okay, so and state which one is leading. State V1 or V2, which one is leading. So this is your question. Okay, so for solving this one, you have to take this plane as cos. Okay, cos omega t. Okay, and this one as sin omega t. Okay, and this end as minus cos omega t, and this one as minus sin omega t. Okay, and if it is going in the clockwise direction, okay, if it is going in the clockwise direction means it is negative. Okay, it must be negative. So if it is going in the anti-clockwise direction means it is positive. Okay, so here you can see it is sin omega t, right? It is sin omega t, and since the angle is negative, it is clockwise direction. So it is it is minus 10. Okay, So it has to be like this. Okay, so this is nothing but your 12 sine omega t minus 10 degree. Okay, so from sine omega t, it has to be go towards clockwise direction and as 10 degree. Okay, so this is how my V2 is. So this is nothing but your V2, right? Next, minus 10 omega t. So where is minus 10 omega t? So this is minus cos omega t. So for minus 10 cos omega t, it is plus 50 degree. So plus 50 degree means it should be anti-clockwise direction. So this has to be here, right? So this is your V1. Okay, since it is 50 degree. Okay, so you can see this angle is 90 degree. Okay, this is 90 degree and this is also 90 degree. So if it is 50 and this one is 10 means this must be 30 degree, right? So you can see V2 is leading. Okay, V2 is leading V1 by 30 degree. Okay, so this is the answer. So next problem, the phi 1 is equal to minus 4 sine 377t plus 55 degree, and I2 is 5 cos 377t minus 65 degree. So they're asking which one is leading, I1 or I2. Okay, so again let me draw this one. This is your cos cos omega t. So it is minus 65 degree. So therefore it has to be like this. Okay, so this is your minus 65 degree. Okay, and this is my sine omega t. Okay, so this is your I2. Okay, I2 which is 5 cos 377 t minus 65 degree. Since minus 65 degree, it should be in clockwise direction of 65 degree. Okay, next let me go for I2. So I2 I have already put. Next one is I1. So here I1 is this is minus sine omega t, and it is 55 degree. So 55 degree means it is anti-clockwise direction. So anti-clockwise direction from minus sine omega t. So it is 55 degree. So this is nothing but your I1. Okay, so I2, I2 is 5 cos 37 t minus 65. So I need to convert this I1 in terms of cos omega t. Okay, so if I want to convert this I1 in terms of cos omega t, so we know that this is nothing but 90 degrees. So I can write I1 is equal to minus 4 cos, okay, minus 4 cos 370 t. And it has to go in the anti-clockwise direction. So it should be 90 plus 55 degrees. So it is 145 degree. Okay, so I1 is minus 4 cos 377 t plus 145 degree. This I can also write it as minus 4 cos 370 t plus 145 degree plus 65 degree minus 65 degree. Okay, so this I can write it as minus 4 cos minus 4 cos 377t minus 65 degree plus 210 degree. Okay, so you can see my I1 is this one, and I2 is 5 cos 377t minus 65 degree. So here I1 is leading I2 by 210 degree. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, so suppose in the previous problem you can see what is my cos. So you can see my V2 I can write it as 12 cos, okay, 12 cos omega t minus minus 90 minus 10 is 100, okay, 100 degree, and V1 I can write it as minus 10, sorry, 10 cos 10 cos omega t minus 130 degree. Okay, so this I can write it as 10 cos omega t minus 100 minus 30. Okay, so you can see V1 is lagging by V2 by 30 degree. Okay, so which means V2 is leading V1 by 30 degree. So this is how you have to draw the phasor diagram.